Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brand. We are back once again with a brand new tech review video for you guys here today. Today, we're going to be taking a look at one of the best controllers I've personally tested in a very long time. This right here is going to be the 8BitDo Ultimate 2 wireless controllers. Let's go and get this thing unboxed here today. We went ahead and got the plastic taken off of this box right here. Let's go ahead and slide this off right here. Looks like we just got this little white box, which that's pretty cool. Take this off right here. Let's see what we got inside. There we go. Okay, cool. Nothing inside the top and everything, which is pretty decent. But inside here, we do have our actual controller itself. Ooh, it's actually kind of separated perfect. So I went ahead and got two different options. Ooh, this purple is fire. Oh my. Sheesh, bro. The box didn't do no justice for me, but yeah. Yeah, this purple fire. I can't even cap it to y'all, bro. Put that to the side though. We also do get us a dongle as well that's inside the box. This right here is just basically like the charging station itself, which this is also fire as well. Golly, yeah, they did that thing with this right here. I'm actually excited about this one. Comparing it to the white one I do have, the purple one is definitely fire. Now, as you guys see, this is going to be charged by USB-C. And then at the bottom of this right here, we do have our 2.4 gigahertz dongle as well, which this right here has its own design also, which that's pretty cool. Let me see if I can take that out. Yeah, this is a USB-C dongle as well. You can plug that directly into the computer. I think you may be able to use this on your phone too. I don't know yet, but we're gonna figure that out for sure. But let's go and put that back up in there because we don't want to lose that object at all. Man, this purple is fire, bro. Jeez, all right, cool. Let me let's go and put that to the side. Now, looking inside the box a little bit further, we do got some documentation in here, and that's pretty much it. I think the charger, yep, the charger's gonna be at the bottom. We'll put that to the side because we don't care about that. Here goes the charger and stuff right here. It does come with a USB-A to USB-C option in here. Let's go ahead and take this little slide off. So yeah, that's the charger that we do have for it, which that's pretty cool. Now, that's everything that's inside the box. So we're going to clean this up and yeah. Now on these controllers right here, we do have TMR joysticks and Hall effect triggers. I personally was like, bro, when I first got this controller, I was like, nah, there is no way at all that this controller costs what it costs and it performs the way it performs. Especially me personally, I come up from Xbox and even had a PlayStation 5 at the time where I'm like, these are premium controllers or name branded controllers, you feel me? And I'm just like, bro, there's no other company that can truthfully make something as good or even better. And hey, here come 8BitDo doing just that. These controllers even have extra bumpers, back buttons, RGB around the sticks, and even they have a 1000 hertz polling rate when you are connected by wire or either the 2.4 gigahertz dongle that comes with the controller itself. You cannot tell me right now, bro, that this controller right here doesn't already speak volume for itself on paper, right? So like I said, I've already put this thing to the test when it comes down to playing games. Like I said, rather I'm playing the Left 4 Dead 2. I wish they would make it for you, feel me? So if y'all listen to this video, make a Left 4 Dead 4 for us, because 3 first and then y'all can do the 4 in a couple years, because we really need that. Or even if I'm playing Call of Duty or even Ark Ascended, bro, I have literally no issues at all with this controller. And the controllers even have a similar button layout to our controllers that we currently use right now. Specifically, this one right here does look a lot more like the Xbox controller, which, hey, it is very beneficial for me personally because that's what I am. I'm an Xbox guy. So therefore, yeah, it looks great. Now, there's some buttons on this controller right here that were confusing for me just a little bit and everything. And that's pretty much the buttons that sit right here in the middle. Now, I'm used to, the pause menu button, and then I call it like the Windows back button or whatever, but we also do have a screenshot button on here. Now, the first two buttons up at the very top, I can't tell you what those buttons truthfully are for right now because I personally have not used them, but I do know for a fact we are able to change our RGB with the start button as well. A couple of things that caught my attention with this controller right here is the fact that it does come with extra bumpers on the back of the controller as well. We do got an L4 and also an R4 option, but then also on top of that, on the back of the controller, where your hands at, you got back paddles as well. Now, I'm happy that this controller has it because I was always going to purchase me like the Xbox controller that had, well, I'm going to say the $300 Xbox controller because my cousin bought one. I was kind of jealous, I ain't gonna lie to you, because that mug got some weight on it. But now I don't have to do that at all. This because I got this 8BitDo, controller, and also on top of that, basically has the same exact features as the Xbox One. Now, this particular model I personally have is not strictly for Xbox, but I'm pretty sure they have some on their website that I'm gonna most likely buy very soon. Now, you may want to ask yourself, why would I actually want to buy this controller? And especially if I'm on Xbox or PlayStation 5. you wouldn't want to buy it at all. This right here is going to be for like Windows users and Android users. So if you're playing games on your phones, your tablets, or like I said, on that computer itself, and you need a controller, but you don't want to spend, you know, that $70, or you don't want to spend that $300 on, you know, like the craziest controller, you can definitely go ahead and visit their website and actually purchase this controller probably for like less than $60 on sale right now, man. And like I said, it has everything that a gamer will want, whether it's with the Hall effect triggers, the TMR joysticks that we do have to offer, the 1000 hertz polling rate, and several other different features on here. Bro, this is legit going to be for you, man. So let me know what you guys think about this 8BitDo Ultimate 2 wireless controller. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.